Okay, so I'm going to show you how I make my health drink for the morning. I recently started using this. It's really beneficial for your health, and it's um, it's for anyone you can have it. And it is pretty much immunity booster, energy booster, whatever you want, like generic health benefits you get out of it. Yeah, and it's very powerful, natural way of staying healthy, and especially for like people who are getting older and they feel like they need more energy or need to be more sharp. For those people who are aging, this is really beneficial. Okay, and just try it for 1 month and see what you think. I bet it will help you. Okay, so I make chaga tea. I used to make chaga tea for a while, so I still do that. This is the chaga chunk I got as I emptied it out. I need to buy more, but this is the last bit I used to make it today. And these are chaga chunks. That means it comes from the birch tree. It's a fungus that grows on the birch tree. It has a lot of nutrition value. It's a fungus. It's like a mushroom kind of thing, you know. So it's like a mushroom category that grows on the birch tree they harvest, that you use in your tea. You just boil it in filtered or spring water or pure well water. You boil it for about you don't boil it, you simmer it in low heat because it has things that can die or lose value. So you don't want to boil it. You simmer in low heat for like 1 hour, and you can have enough. You can make your tea and keep it in your refrigerator. You can use it over many days. Okay, you don't need much. I just make one small glass of this. But what I do to this is I add this thing called the Himalayan Shilajit. And Himalayan Shilajit, you see, this is the resin form. Himalayan Shilajit resin. It doesn't matter what brand you buy, as long as it is pure and authentic. It has to be pure and authentic brand. I got this from Amazon, so you can look up and just buy a brand that has that has a reputation. So this Shilajit resin um, is very it has a lot of powerful things in it, that also adds, when you add it to the chaga tea, it becomes a super power. Like it makes you it makes a powerful tonic for your health. Okay, so make sure you add this to your chaga tea. And so you can order this from like Amazon or any other store that you like. And once you open this, it's a resin, you see, and it's like a gooey substance. It's like a tar like substance. You see, it's like a tar, almost like a tar like substance. It's like gooey stuff. Let me open it for you. 1 minute. Yeah, so it is like tar and gooey substance. And all you do for a glass, you just have to add a little bit. They say a pea size, a size of a little pea. And you can see I only took a little bit, and that's all you need. It's very powerful. And this jar should last about a couple of months, because that's all you use every day is a little bit. So so that's how much you take, and you mix it in your warm. If it's warm, it will mix more easier. You mix it in your warm chaga tea. and once you mix it up, and just keep on stirring. It is little tarry substance, so that's why it takes a little while to mix it well. And if you want to add some sugar, you can. Okay, so now you can see that's how it looks right there. You see, we added the Himalayan Shilajit. You see the Himalayan Shilajit resin to the chaga tea, and now we can drink this. This is it, and that will improve your health very much. Take it for a month, and you will feel the difference. You can also add, if you want to add more nutrition or more useful things for your health, you can use sea moss. So you can buy a raw sea moss. It's good to process the sea moss yourself instead of buying the sea moss gel. You make your own sea moss gel. What you could do is that you can what you can do is you can actually take buy raw sea moss, and after you buy the raw sea moss, you can soak it for about 12 hours to 24 hours. And once you soak it in water, you can actually blend the sea moss and store it in like a mason jar in your refrigerator. And every day you have like a tablespoon of sea moss, and then drink with this. So you have mixed chaga with Himalayan Shilajit, and with this you take a tablespoon of sea moss gel that you can make. All three of this is a superfood. I mean, it's very powerful. So once you take that, that will heal a lot of things in your body. It will make your body stronger and rejuvenated. So give it a shot and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. But I highly recommend trying this, okay, for anyone, for health benefits. Already.